I just wanted to go over a trading recap today. Number one, I haven't made these in a while because I've been doing the Master Futures Trading Blueprint and I've been doing the daily vlogs. I've been trying to switch up everything. I'm trying to post educational video every other day and then the vlog every other day. And then I'll get a trading recap up today because today was a pretty solid trade. So this is the trade I took on ES. You guys can go on my Instagram. You can join the Discord for free if you guys want to see how much I made in the trade I took. So we'll X this out here. We had news today around 10 a.m. and 9:45. I'll say the news real quick. Let me just bring it up. Today we had load. 9:45 we had S&P Global Manufacturing PMI. 10 a.m. we had JOLTS job opening, ISM Manufacturing PMI, and ISM Manufacturing Employment. So I waited till news to come out at 10 a.m. My bias was bearish for the day because on the 1 hour we had this bearish imbalance, and we also were bearish. We were bearish on the 1 hour, and we were also bearish on the 4 hour. We had this 1 hour bearish imbalance here, and I wanted to see price come up into it and react off of it, which it did. We also had this 1 hour order block right here that I could have marked off, but you can see right here. I'll mark it off with blue for you guys. We came up into it also. So we'll go down into the 5-minute time frame. I saw we were in this 1 hour imbalance here. News came out around 10 a.m. Didn't do much, but I saw when news came out, we disrespected this 5-minute bearish imbalance while we were in the 1 hour imbalance. So I thought we were at least going to come down and take out London session lows, which we did. And I also targeted a 15-minute imbalance down below. That's why you guys see my second and third TP here. This is the 50% level of the 15-minute bullish imbalance. And this is the end of the 15-minute bullish imbalance. I took that as my third TP. But my final take profit, I left one runner to this 1 hour low down here. I really thought we were going to hit it, but we ended up not doing it and reversing off the 15-minute bullish imbalance. But what I saw here is I saw we invalidated a 5-minute bearish imbalance when we were reacting off of a 1 hour bearish order block and bearish imbalance. So I decided to scale down into the 1 minute once I saw we invalidated that. And as you can see, I drew equilibrium from these highs to these lows. And I saw we perfectly entered back into this equilibrium area, into discounted price range. Had a selling pressure out of it. I entered off of this candle right here. I put my stops above these highs. I was going to put my stops at where equilibrium gets invalidated. I did have it there at first. This was my first take profit level, which was a 1 to 5.2. Once we hit that level, I put my stops above these highs, and then I targeted the 15-minute imbalance, which was my second. The 50% level, the 15-minute imbalance was my second take profit, and then the third level was the end of the 15-minute imbalance, and then I left a runner, I'll be honest with you guys, all the way down to this 1 hour low. We didn't get down to there. I ended up taking my full take profit when we broke structure back to the upside on this candle right here. And yeah, we ended the day on that. So the total on that trade, after I put my stop loss down, once we hit that first level, was around a 1 to 3.87. With the first take profit level, it was a 1 to 2.45, which is still a good trade for me. I made up my loss from yesterday and more, which is good. But other than that, this is my trade. I put my stop loss at break even once we hit the 50% level of the 15-minute imbalance. And after that, we hit the third take profit. Didn't hit our fourth. I left one runner. Didn't end up happening. Reason being because, number one, we had that 15-minute bullish imbalance below. And I saw that NASDAQ came below. And I'll move my head real quick. Swept out these 4-hour lows. And I saw we were getting a reaction off of it. So that's why I took my full take profit after we broke structure to the upside. So, I mean, I feel like today was a pretty good textbook trade. I entered off equilibrium. I was bearish on the day. We reacted off a 1 hour bearish imbalance, a 1 hour bearish order block. We were at the 5-minute, waited for news to come out. We disrespected that 5-minute imbalance, broke structure on the 1 minute time frame. That's more confidence to the downside for me. And then we came into equilibrium, respected equilibrium, had selling pressure out of it. I took my trade because it was part of my rules. And I targeted my take profits and ended up hitting today. So that was my trade I took today. I just wanted to show you guys, and I'll get this trading recap up soon. I'm going to be posting that vlog video today also. Those take me a little bit to edit since I'm editing all my videos, but I'll get that up today, and then I'll get a trading Mastro Futures trading educational video up tomorrow, and keep posting as much as I can for you guys. So hopefully you guys enjoy this trade. Hopefully you learned a little bit from it. Hopefully I'm not speaking too fast. I'm still in the beginning stages of trying to teach people how to do this stuff, so you guys got to bear with me a little bit. I'll get better as time goes on. I've only been doing this YouTube thing for 2 months, so we'll keep going, and that's it for today.